What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the best WordPress theme. For those who use WordPress, we all know that WordPress has thousands, if not millions of themes. But this very theme I'm going to show you is a very wonderful one. How do I find it? I was working on a project on WordPress, and then I was searching for a good one. A free WordPress theme that I can use for the project. I searched for good 3-4 days. I installed nearly every one of all these themes. I installed and uninstall until I was about to give up when I searched more, and then what do I do? And that's what I want you to do for you to find this wonderful theme. All you have to do if you are in search of theme is to go to WordPress theme. You don't have to waste yourself time, look for feature or this or that. I've done the job for you. Believe you me, I've done the job for you. All you have to do is come to theme search and type free. That is it. There you are. RIFE free theme. It's a wonderful WordPress theme. I have been working with WordPress. I use WordPress to build website for years now. I have not seen this type of wonderful theme. It's a very good one. And then, like as I said, we can do it again for you to know how easily it is. Just when you come to WordPress, click themes, and then don't bother yourself to search any further. Just type free, and there you are. The first one here, although maybe tomorrow it might change. That's why you have to remember the name. RIFE, RIFE theme. So that's the theme I installed. It was a wonderful one, and then as you can see, most people don't know this theme. Most people doesn't know this wonderful theme and the free theme. That's why you can see 9 people is here. However, there is no one single 1-star, the 2-star, or the 3-star, or the 4-star. It's all 5-star, 5 stars. And believe you me, if there was an opportunity to rate this team 10 or 20 or whatsoever, anyone that installed this team will rate the highest possible star. So it's wonderful, and the team that built this wonderful team is a very nice one, a very good customer service. Despite that it's a free team, they answer the questions, and there's not even much to ask, because no matter how beginner you are, everything goes accordingly. I haven't found something like this before, and the way I'm explaining this, you easily know that this, of course, is my first video regarding to things like this. So I couldn't hold it up to myself alone, that I decided that I have to make a video and share it for people to know about RIFE free theme. Maybe okay, I show you. This is the component. Maybe I show you it has 5 different demos that you can work with. Like the one I use was okay, star. I think it's star. Yeah, it should be this one. This is the one I use. Yeah, there you are. It's called RIFE Star. Yeah, I store this, and then you can rewrite the copyright and all that. You can change whatever you feel like changing, and then yeah, that is it. It's very, very, very interesting. So you can rewrite like as I said, you can rewrite the copyright, because this is the problem we have with most of WordPress themes, free themes. You can change the copyright, or you can do this, or you can do that. But there is no limit. There is no limit. You can use this theme the way you want. This is one of them, star. If you install RIFE theme, you have 5 demos. So this is one of them. This is what I'm using. The other one is unicorn, good for everything, company, private, whatsoever, startup, you name it. And then yeah, the other one again is Raven, but they all one, just different themes that different demos that you can try out. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. It's very fast. It's very clean. Easy to use. You name it. You name it. It's wonderful. The other one, it's called Frame. This is Frame. I think good for photo or things like that. And this is crops. Um, yeah, you have to. If you use WordPress, you have nothing to lose. Install it. Install this theme, and then if you find it interesting, let me know. Myself, I find it very interesting, and it helps me a lot, and it makes my work very, very easy. The company added this theme newly on WordPress, and most people don't know it. Then I decided to make a video for it, because this is my way to appreciate the company that do such a wonderful theme and give it out for free. Though, yeah. So I repeat how it goes. You go to theme. Um, if you want, maybe you don't like us. I don't want to name the teams that I have used, but as I said, nearly all these teams I have stored nearly every one of them. So what you do, I repeat it again, just type free, and there you are. That is it. Or you type refer, just refer, or refer free, and then the theme is there for you. Thank you. Thank Apollo 13 team. I really enjoyed this, and then I hope this video is not too long now, but I really, really want you to test this team, see, and then you can comment or say it if what I said is true or not. I'm doing this as my way of letting people to see the good thing I find on WordPress that many people do not know about it. That is it, guys. So I wish you well, and then to let me know if you give it a try also. Bye bye.